And this year I'm decorating in a completely different way than I've ever decorated before. So I hope you will all enjoy.
The snow is falling and the cold wind is blowing hard. I'm locked inside tonight, but my heart.
So this is a before in all of its state.
I'm thinking of you, babe.
Yes, it is a bit messy, a bit dirty, needs a clean.
I miss you more right now. It must
But
be these hard
this is how we're looking.
You know you're my everything, the only present I want. And oh, what I give to be with you under the mistletoe. Merry Christmas.
And this is just how I've organised my Christmas decorations. I actually did a full video on this last year if you want to go and check it out, just on how I've organised it and just some organising tips for Christmas decorations.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you.
And yes, I am pulling blue tack off from underneath the vases. I did do a video ages ago on how to decorate with pets and kids, so that sort of will explain a little bit more to you if you do want to know.
Oh, what I give to have you here, my dear. We could sing and laugh about our wonderful year.
Okay, so this is the little pile that I have come up with, and I'm going for a black and white, very minimalist theme this year, just in this room alone, because this is what actually suits this room already. So I'm just going to go with that, but just change it up to be Christmassy. And I've reused some things that I've got around the house, like this one, and I'm even reusing the candle holders and some of the vases as well. But I'm just going to really use it up in a different way. So none of these are new things, these are just things I've already own.
Down to one. Should we clean up or have fun for a while? There's a sweet, sweet stillness there in the quiet Christmas air. May you find yourself laughing all the while. Have a happy, merry, beautiful Christmas where all your troubles fade away. Where there's laughing and memories.
And yes, I am repeating a very similar flower arrangement to what I did last year. If you didn't see, I did a massive one of these last year with all different colours. It was very cheap and affordable with just twigs from my garden, believe it or not. I do have a reel on the Instagram if you want to check that one out, or there's also a video up here. I'll leave them in the description box for you if you want to check those out.
Wrap your feelings up with care. Give it to someone to share. On this holiday affair, could there be more? In the glow of candlelight, with your problems out of sight, one can get lost in the songs of yore. Have a happy, merry, beautiful Christmas where all your troubles fade away. Where there's For friendship grows and the winter snows when all is good.
Okay, so this is what this side is looking like. I've grouped them in groups of 3, so you always decorate in odd numbers, and I've went that black and white, and I've really added different textures in as well, because different textures create lots of interest, and it really does display the uniqueness of all those different pieces. I really love how this area has come together. Very cute, minimalistic, and I just love the black and white as well. Something that you just never get sick of, neutral colours. On this side of the wall, yes, lighting is terrible because of the windows and stuff like that right near it, but I have tried to cover the cords over here because I will be getting a new TV at some stage, but I just tried to cover that up with a advent calendar. This one here is really cool because it's got pockets in it as well, so you can make up your own bits and pieces if you want to. That is how this area is looking. Again, you can see I've repeated matter, which is a big thing in interior design. So I've got the fluffy little boa there, feather boa. These are really cheap and affordable. You can buy these from Lincraft and Spotlight, any sort of craft stores, and you can also get these from like places like the Reject Shop and stuff in the dress up area, I believe. So you can see I've got the fluffy one there, and then I've got the fluffy one there, and then I've got some lights, flickering lights in there, just like I've got the lights in here as well. So I'm really loving how that looks. And as I said, the lighting is just not giving it any justice, unfortunately. But yeah, it does look quite cute. Over here I have the tissue box. This is one that I made ages ago. It is hay fever season, so I'm constantly needing those tissues at the moment. And then I have just popped these Christmas decorations on. These are actually just clips that you put on the Christmas tree. If you saw my decorating video last year, you will see how I did a whole big flower arrangement using these. And it wasn't the same, but it was similar to this as well, like the similar sort of concept. So I really love this. I think it's turned out absolutely beautifully. And you can see with the sparkle and with the like fluffiness of this, again, it's repeating matter around the room. And you know, I've got the 3 on there because it's better to decorate in 3s as well. Although there is 2 on there, but it's a very small bedside table. So, and on this side of the room, again, I've repeated matter by using some of these sparkly white birds, and I've just with the feather, again going with the feather boa and going with the Christmas tree that I had on this side of the room. There is decorating 3 is there, and then I've got the little Christmas tree as well, which is really cute, sparkly, and it sort of goes with the rest of the room with the silver, white and black sort of theme that's going on. And this is what it looks like from this side of the room. Excuse the light there. This is what it looks like from the other side of the room. Just beautiful, black, white, minimalistic, and I really, really love it. If you don't have one of these, you need one. These are so good for so many things, photo shoots and everything like that. And they're great for like decorating in the winter and making the room feel cozy and just giving that extra texture. But I love the white one. I've done so many photo shoots with that with Talia with her newborns. But yeah, I just absolutely love it. I just think it looks so good, so different, and yeah, just really fresh for Christmas. So I hope you guys have all enjoyed this decorate with me Christmas video. I do have so many Christmas videos that are on YouTube at the moment from the previous years. If you do want to check them out, like how to decorate your Christmas tree and just how I've decorated my like living and dining area. Obviously, because we are renovating here, it is like super dusty and I don't want to put the tree up because it is quite expensive, and so are some of those decorations. So that's why I've opted just to do the bedroom area just for something different. And yeah, I'm actually really happy with how it's turned out, and it is still going to feel really Christmassy as well, and that's the big thing that I wanted, because I wanted to keep that Christmas spirit and that Christmas feeling going, even though we can't sort of decorate that other part of the house. So I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will catch up with you guys next week for a new video, and I'll see you then. Bye.